Good evening, everyone. Welcome to my channel and welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be guiding us on how to get free US number for free to verify WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram, Telegram, all social media websites. So this website is still working. It's an app. It's not a website. It's an app, and it's still working for now. But all you need is a VPN. You need a VPN, and I will guide you on how to get the VPN, and also we are going to download the app on Play Store. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and put on the bell notification just for you to get notified once I publish a tutorial like this. So the app has already been shared. The premium package for the app have already been shared on my Telegram page. You can go straight to my Telegram page, Telegram group, to copy it. So I've shared it on my Telegram group. So just go there to my Telegram group. My Telegram link is there below. It's there on my description. Then you can click it and download the app for free. Once you download the app for free, then you install on your phone. Then you go straight to the app. The app name is VPN Hub. So you can see it on Play Store also. It's available on Play Store. Let me go straight to the Play Store and show us on Play Store. VPN Hub. So, but the one I shared with you guys is a premium. Is a hack premium. Once you go to my Telegram pool and install it, it's automatically be on your phone. So let's get straight to today's tutorial, please, guys. After installing your app, so the next app you are going to search for is Virtual SIM. Just after you download the VPN, then you search for Virtual SIM. This is Virtual SIM. Install the Virtual SIM on your phone. So once you finish install the Virtual SIM on your phone, you come straight to VPN Hub and set your VPN to US. Just pick a location in US and set up your VPN to any location in US. As this one, I'm going to be using the Dallas. So I'm going to connect Dallas. Okay, just click on OK. Click on it, make sure it's connected. Allow it to load. Got it. The virtual SIM is loading already. It's about to. You're not ready to browse. Got it. So it has already connected. So you go straight to the virtual SIM. Open it. Once you open the virtual SIM, agree, uploading contact policy. Agree. Allow. So once you allow everything, let me hide my location. So once you open the app, you click on sign in. So it will automatically ask you to choose any of the email attached to your account. Let me just use this email as an example. So once you click on the email, sign into Gmail, Google Mail, input name, just any name. Then you select the email address you put. So you click on saved. Provide updated. That's it. It's very simple and very easy. So they give out virtual number for free. This particular website. So just come straight to this button. Come straight to this place. Then click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to get your number here. Use my own number. Click on it. Okay, hold on. Okay, get a new phone number. Click on get a new phone number. Okay, come back. A minute. Yes, saved. Go back. Okay, I think the number should be here. Hold on 1 minute, please. Okay, so you are going to click. Once you click on the your profile button, then come straight to my phone number. Click on my phone number. You could see that's your number, and the number valid for just 1 day. So once you click on the number, copy the number, then go to anything you want to verify. then you go to the website and input this number. Once you put this number, but the only thing there is that anytime you are using number from this website, make sure you use a code. So you use code. Once you use code, this numbers they are going to give you a call. Once the website give you a call, this particular app is going to ring out. Then you pick up the call, write down your code, use it for another website. Also, you can use it for limited website, but it's only valid for just a single day. So after that day, the subscription will be expired. Then you can try as much as possible, keep on creating a new Gmail. Then you repeat the same steps. Repeat the same step for all the remaining for you to get a new number also. So that is all for that. I just come across it, and I think it's better I share with you guys. So you can check on my last video. My last video is a website that is working for all country, just to get the valid number for all country. So it's updated for my last video. You can check it out also. Just that you have to pay a certain amount of money, either by BTC. So by BTC or Ethereum. So they have their means of receiving payment from the web. The website I'm talking about, you can check my previous message. So you can get a free number from there for all your websites. If you want to verify a foreign account, Fiverr, Upwork, freelancer sites. I'm a freelancer, a digital marketer, I'm a YouTuber. So please, if you have any complaint, any request, or if you are facing any difficulty generating your number, please, you can reach me out on my Telegram, my profile, my Facebook page is there also. So you can check, and you can even email me. Just if you have any question, just you can comment on this video also. So I will attend to you. So please don't forget to subscribe for more video and more knowledgeable video like this. So just stay tuned to my channel. Thank you.